Sticky notes are among the most important elements on the whiteboard. You can use them to collect ideas, feedback, tasks, or thoughts. In this video, I'll show you how to work with sticky notes in Collaboard. You can find them in the left toolbar and add them directly to the board or drag and drop them to the desired position. Adding text to a note is very simple. When you create a new note, you can start typing immediately. For an existing one, just select it with your mouse and begin entering your text. In Collaboard, there are square and rectangular stickies. You can choose your preferred format in the toolbar or change it dynamically for each note later on the board. You can also add 5 or 10 notes at once. This setting is saved until you change it again in the toolbar. A set of predefined colors is available for your notes. You can change the color of notes on the board at any time and even define your own custom colors. By default, the text size is set to automatic. This means the text becomes smaller as you add more content. You can change the font size at any time. If a note contains too much text to be displayed at the selected font size, 3 dots will appear at the end. Clicking on them will show the full text. In such cases, it can be helpful to convert the sticky into a shape. You can easily transform notes into other objects via the menu. The advantage of a shape is that you can scale it freely, and all the text will remain visible. Like notes, shapes also have a background color that you can customize. There are 2 additional ways to create notes. If you select an existing note, you can press the Tab key to create a new one directly next to it. If you don't want to place the new note on the right, use the arrow keys on your keyboard. For example, pressing the down arrow and then Tab will create a new note below the current one. You can also create notes by copying content from a table, for example from Excel. When you paste cells onto the board, each cell is automatically converted into a note. Text is transferred, and empty cells become empty notes. If you want to adjust the layout of multiple notes, select them together. You can then change the color of all selected notes, the font, text layout, or the position of the text within the notes, and so on. Sticky notes are especially useful for brainstorming, retrospectives, workshops, feedback sessions, task planning, as well as training and education.